Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty to give you expert insights and honest opinions. Today, we're talking about a product that promises to elevate your lashes to the next level. If you're someone who wants long-lasting volume with a waterproof formula, then the Prosa 4-in-1 Maxi-Volume Mascara might just be the game changer you're looking for. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest reviews. Now, let's take a closer look at the Prosa 4-in-1 Maxi-Volume Mascara. This black gel mascara comes with a waterproof formula, ensuring that it holds up even during those long days or rainy moments. It's designed to offer multiple benefits in one product, giving you long-lasting volume, definition, and a bold lash look. The formula itself is pretty impressive, packed into a sleek, easy-to-handle tube. It's a gel-based mascara, which can sometimes feel a bit heavier, but in this case, it's formulated to give you the perfect balance of fullness without feeling too clumpy. The key feature here, of course, is the waterproof aspect, a must-have for those who need their mascara to stay intact no matter what life throws at them. But how does it perform in real-life scenarios? Let's talk about that. In my experience, the Prosa 4-in-1 Maxi-Volume Mascara is easy to apply. The wand is designed well enough to coat each lash without creating too much mess, and I found that it separated my lashes quite nicely. On my first application, I was surprised by how quickly it built up volume. It's one of those mascaras that starts giving you noticeable results after just one coat, but I'd say for a fuller, more dramatic look, 2 coats do the trick. The formula lives up to its waterproof claim. I tried it during a busy day that included a little bit of sweating, and it stayed put without flaking or smudging. However, on the flip side, I did notice that it was slightly more difficult to remove compared to some other mascaras. If you have sensitive eyes, be prepared for some extra effort with a makeup remover. But overall, I appreciated how sturdy it was throughout the day. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, this mascara really does give you that volumizing effect it promises, and the waterproof formula is fantastic for those who need something that lasts. It's also not overly clumpy, which is a big win in the mascara world. However, the formula can feel a bit heavy on the lashes if you go in with multiple coats, so I'd say it's best for those who prefer a more dramatic lash look. The removal process could definitely use some improvement, but that's a small price to pay for a mascara that holds up under all kinds of conditions. When it comes to value for money, I'd say the Prosa 4-in-1 Maxi Volume Mascara is a solid choice. Given its long-lasting performance, the waterproof formula, and the volume it delivers, I think it's reasonably priced for what it offers. If you're looking for alternatives, there are definitely other waterproof mascaras out there that provide similar results, but the Prosa mascara stands out for its volume boost and its ability to last all day long without smudging. If you prefer something a bit more affordable, mascaras like Maybelline's Lash Sensational Waterproof Mascara could give you a similar effect, though the Prosa may edge it out in terms of durability. In terms of build quality, the tube is durable, and the wand is well designed for precision, but the mascara itself could be a little lighter in texture to make it easier to remove. On the other hand, if you're someone who needs a waterproof formula that won't budge, then that's not a huge deal. So what's the final verdict? The Prosa 4-in-1 Maxi Volume Mascara definitely lives up to its claims. If you're someone who needs volume, waterproof protection, and long-lasting results, this mascara is a fantastic option. It's best suited for those who are looking for bold, dramatic lashes that can withstand the elements. Thank you so much for watching this review. If you're interested in giving this mascara a try, you can find the link in the comments or the description box below. Have you used this mascara or another product from Prosa? Drop a comment below and let us know what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.